Guys, inside here you have banana, you have sugar, egg, vanilla, milk. Now we'll be putting our flour. Okay, my wonderful people. So what we go do now? Say I go to put am, dey sieve am. We dey put am, dey sieve am. We dey put am, dey sieve am. This is not milk, guys. I grate it myself. This is our nutmeg. I don't grate the nutmeg. Guys, we no go waste time. Let me put my oven on. 180, guys. 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Let me put my oven on 40 minutes. Yes, my wonderful people, I have 2 sachets of baking powder. Baking powder, because now it be this cake. This one now it be cake. Baking powder when I 1 teaspoon. So we go to put I go to put small again. 1.5. Yes, so guys, mix with me. Let's make the cake together. It's already ready. Everything we concern cake don't inside here. I use but oil, not I didn't use. This is our banana cake, guys. Now our banana cake with this. Now our banana cake in another one. Now our banana cake. See our banana cake, guys. Our banana cake. Mix and well. Yes, so guys, you take this one. You can be making this for your business. They see our banana cake. It's our banana cake. Let me taste it. It's having good flavor. So our cake done ready. I don't like when it's too sweet. First of all, banana is inside. Then you have everything. See, guys, see our banana cake. Okay. Our oven is already preheated. Our oven already be preheated, guys. We will put our cake here. Please look at our banana cake. You know, understand? Go and rise. My cake, go and rise. Rise for the reason. I say make you rise for the reason. You go and rise for a reason. You rise for a reason, banana cake. Go and rise for a reason. Rice, let's take it and drink tea. At times, I eat it with just take 1 yogurt. I eat and drink water. Very, very important, very delicious, very demure. If you get banana and you want to spoil just use and make cake. Use yourself if they chop them. Then go to buy cake. Use it and make cake, my people. Yes, everything, clean everything cleanable. Everything you clean now. Keki. Pack am. Package. Yes, sir. We clean everything. Yes, guys, it's going to inside the oven. Let me wash my hands. Guys, follow me. Let's put it inside the oven. Ovenlicious. 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 Guys, look at. They go inside oven. They drag. Yes, the oven don't hot. We go put some like this. This our cake. This our oven pan is going inside. Yes, sir. We close. Ciao, ciao. Yes, my wonderful people. Now me this. I don't oven them. I don't oven them.